Here's how you can make money easily on Temu. So first of all, start by opening up your application and you just have to log in with your account. So after that, you just have to go for your account, which is on the bottom. So simply tap on that. And after that, you just have to go for earn free gifts and cash. Once you are here, you just have to go for this redeem cash, which is saying easy now, PayPal money up to $200. Tap on get now button, and after that this kind of ad will pop up. After that, tap on start, and as you can see, refer friends to spin again. And whenever I will spin, just like that, right now I have to invite friends, and whenever he will sign up, I will get the spin option. And whenever I will spin this wheel on the middle of the screen, this will get me some points. And whenever I will get the points, as you can see, $1, only 150 coins to go. When I will complete my 150 points mark, I will get the $1. So as you can see, I have to tap on refer friends and copy the link. And whenever I will spin these some codes, which is saying 5, 4, 2 and 1, I will get these stars. And whenever the stars I will get in my account, this will fill up the bar on the top and make money. So after that, you can withdraw it on your PayPal account, and this is how to make money easily on Temu.